A new look tonight into a South Metro Police Department as workers share concerns about their safety, mental well-being, and claims their chief didn't work the hours he said he did.
Former Rosemount Police Chief Michael Dahlstrom is standing by his work, though, and pushing back against anonymous employee survey results as we're raising questions about how the city has handled all of this.
Ben Henry spoke to Dahlstrom tonight and joins us live from Rosemount. Ben, what do you have to say?
Well, he is pushing back on what is found in this anonymous survey. You can see while much of it is blacked out, what is included are a lot of comments from many who feel it was a toxic workplace while Chief Dahlstrom was here as chief. He's pushing back, though, saying that those claims don't have evidence and they aren't true.
Claims from this anonymous employee survey show sharp criticism for Rosemount's former police chief, Michael Dahlstrom. Nearly 90 pages of written answers highlight impacted morale, officer safety, retention, and community credibility. One reading, "It is not worth the heavy toll on my physical and mental health to continue in this cycle of abuse." Another saying, "Officers are leaving because they no longer feel valued, supported, or safe under current leadership." And another, "There is significant doubt that he works a whole 40-hour week, which raises concerns of time theft, as taxpayers are not receiving the level of leadership they are paying for."
We know there's complaints made against Chief Dahlstrom.
We've pressed Rosemount about Dahlstrom's administrative leave and eventual resignation, which included a $164,000 payout to avoid legal action. We've also learned there was no formal investigation into the claims. Declining our request for an interview, we still asked the city why. Rosemount responding in part after extensive talks with lawyers and hours of staff interviews, the additional cost of a formal investigation was not needed.
Mike.
Hey, Mike. Mr. Dahlstrom? We reached Dahlstrom on the phone. He did not want to do an interview, instead sharing a statement, standing by his work, saying it was rooted in integrity, community trust, responsible leadership, and public safety. Adding the survey comments include claims based on hearsay or events that did not occur, criticism of leadership decisions made within my lawful authority and responsibility, and statements taken out of context.
Leading into his pushback, Dahlstrom also shared his personnel file, which included awards that he won over the years, messages from community members and other police departments that were positive in nature, and also his performance reviews from over the years. Live in Rosemount, Ben Henry, 5 Eyewitness News.
Ben, thank you so much.